Okay guys, I really wanted to show you these new paints I got from Colourarte. These are called Prizm Pour Metallics, and look at this. This is a beautiful pink. It's called Hot Orchid, and this one is Egyptian gold. It's like an antique gold, and absolutely love them. Now you are supposed to use them directly from the jar, or if you want you can dilute it a tiny bit. I diluted like 2 parts of or 3 parts of paint with 1 part of my pouring medium, just so that I have a little bit of consistency that I like. You can just absolutely go on their own. So I'm gonna use today a Snapdragon, which is a dioxazine purple kind of a color, and I mixed dioxazine. So usually the base paint, I always have a tube paint mixed in it, more or less. So I mixed dioxazine purple from golden in this one, and then I have iridescent gold. So to lay the grounds, I always use something from tube paints. And I diluted it a tiny bit. It's very tiny dilution. Don't dilute it a lot, otherwise it's gonna fade. And let me show you what I just did and made a painting right now, which turned out to be beautiful. Well, I made 2 of them. So one is this one with the same colors I'm gonna show you, and then there is another one. Let me grab that one. So this is the other one. This was just with Hot Orchid and the Egyptian gold, and my cell activator was not up to the mark, so it was a bit thicker than I like, and it did not work well. But I am going to show you guys the second one, which had some purple in it. So hopefully it works equally good. So to lay the grounds, have something with tube paint mixed in it, and I'm gonna add on top of it some iridescent gold. This is also from Colourarte. That is, the purple was golden dioxazine purple and Colourarte Snapdragon. And then I'm gonna add whatever is left in here. I just mixed a very tiny bit of Prizm Pour because these are like my first tries with it, but I love the product. Just gonna use it all, and then I'm gonna add the gold. So remember, I only diluted these a little to match the consistency with my other paints. Technically, you do not need to dilute them. Okay, now I'm gonna blow a little bit and then use my hair dryer. just gonna put the pillow up, whichever ran down. Probably added a bit too much. That's okay. I love these cells. Let me show you guys. Okay, look at that. I absolutely love this. It's just amazing. If I could, I would just leave it like that, but then it's gonna crack on me, so I have to spin it. Just giving it its time to come back, and then I'm just gonna wait for it. So again, these were the new products. Prizm Pour from Colourarte, and these are like metallic colors, and this is metallic pink. You can't go wrong with her colors. Yeah, they are all beautiful. Prizm Pour. Okay, and now I'm just gonna blow a tiny bit. If not, it's fine. I'm not that picky on the middle part. And then I'm gonna take you to my spinner. Look at that. Oh, I should take a pic of it before I spin. Now I'm just gonna blow this side a bit here, because everything else is already almost there, but I need to help that side a bit. Okay, spin clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Okay, that's it. just gonna take a pic for and let me show you guys how beautiful this is turned out. Okay, I'm not gonna bother about that. Can you see?